Any ollie is a good ollie. We love an ollie. Oh! What were you scared of? Wow, Aaron, you're feeling good today. All right, guys, we're here today, and I'm gonna teach you my top 5 tricks to learn. These tricks are hand-picked from 31 years of skateboarding experience for you to learn. Trick number 1 is the most important trick. You have got to have this in your repertoire. If you do not have this trick, nothing from here in your entire skateboard life matters at all. Guess what it is?
Ollie.
An ollie. How did you know that?
Because I know you.
Okay, you know me, that is true. At first I was thinking, popcorn? Should it be popcorn? This is popcorn. No, it's not popcorn, it's an ollie. Okay, in fact, we dedicated an entire month to teaching you how to ollie, and we're gonna do it again. So an ollie is the most fundamental trick because it is the most basic movement there is for all tricks. All tricks are stemming from an ollie, basically. I mean, for sure, we can figure out some tricks that aren't if we want to just argue, but ollie's fundamental. Okay, so for the ollie, you're gonna have your front foot near the bolts, your back foot perched like that. You're gonna pop down with your foot on the tail like that. And this is a really weird, if you analyze this in super slow motion, which I will make a video in super slow motion specifically for you, that guy on the couch behind you, you pop and you actually jump off the board before it hits the ground. It's weird. It's like your foot goes like that. Lift off, then ground, then lift up. So pop, and then your front foot goes up. Your knee goes forward, foot goes up, and this creates lift. And as the board lifts, your legs must lift. Your knees must bend. You will go into the air. That's the ollie. Ready? Let's show you. I'm gonna show you sort of the phases of ollie too. Beginner ollie is like you can't quite get the lift, so you're kind of like here, right? Just a little like floppy. And then you get a little more comfortable with that front foot going forward, the knee going forward, and you level it out better. And a little better until eventually you can do that. Love a good ollie. Love a bad ollie. Literally, we just love an ollie. Any ollie is a good ollie. We love an ollie. Okay, most fundamental trick that you must learn. Number 2, and I'm gonna make some of these kind of weird. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Is it okay to get weird with it?
Yeah.
Most fundamental trick number 2, kickflip. Well, I don't know, we're just gonna go straight to the kickflip. Why? Why, Aaron? Because it's just the trick that everybody wants to learn. So here's my piece of advice. Don't go from the ollie to the kickflip. I'm not giving these in any particular order. Okay, so the kickflip, so your back foot is perched right there. You pop it down, and now instead of just dragging it up like that for the ollie, your toe, which is positioned right there at about a 45-degree angle, is gonna drag up, and then it's gonna go like this. Ding! Ding, ding. And as soon as it makes that noise, ding, your board will spin. And then your back foot will catch it. And for all the people wondering if it actually makes that noise, yes. If you do it correctly, it will make that noise in real life. Okay, let's move just over here, just a little bit. Perfection, boom. Okay, trick number 2, kickflip. Because this again is a very fundamental, foundational trick. If you got the kickflip, then you can learn frontside flip, backside flip, varial flip, tray flip. You can learn all these other ones. Oh! It's okay, I'm okay. That's why you need to learn how to kickflip. That was amazing, couldn't have been better timing. The guy did scare the living beep out of me. Okay, one more. Okay, that's trick number 2. Trick number 3, if you can guess it, I'll reverse the Jamba Juice that you owe me.
If I can guess the next trick.
Trick number 3.
Is it harder than an ollie?
Yes.
Tray flip.
No, heel flip.
Heel flip.
Good guess though.
Oh, darn.
Okay, I wanted to do heel flip next. I was really thinking about this when I hit the ground on that Yoshi down B. I was really thinking about this because if you have ollie, rock bottom foundation, kick flip, now you're getting to flip the board. It's pretty nice. Heel flip, now you got both variations. And I suck at them. So I'm just goes to show, 31 years of skateboarding, and you can still suck at a basic trick. You probably shouldn't, but welcome to my life. okay? Thank you. So heel flip, your back foot is there in the back pocket on this side. Your front foot is there toward the front of the board on that side, balancing it out. So when you put pressure down, your board will actually bend like that. Put a little bend in it, and then when you're there, you can pop the tail, flick your front foot up in diagonal like this. Boom, like that. And then you got a heel flip. Let's see if I can land it first try, or I'm gonna land primo and hurt my butt again. Chloe, I had it. What were you scared of? Okay, let's run it. Wow, really bad one, but you did it. Top 5 tricks to learn. Ollie, kickflip, heel flip. True story, when I was learning how to skate, 10, 11, 12 years old, I learned ollies. I learned frontside 180, shove it, all those variations. Then I learned heel flip before kickflip. That's why heel flip comes first in Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 1. It's closer to an ollie motion, but then I learned how to kickflip, and little kid me was like, heel flips, I don't do heel flips anymore. Now I'm a kickflip guy, and all I do is kickflips. And then I lost heel flips. 31 years later, I still can't do them. Okay, I'll take that heel flip. I'll take that heel flip and double down on a double at in and out. Okay, that was good. Now, that was ollie, kickflip, heel flip, right?
Yeah.
Number 4. This is the trick you've been waiting for. Every kid in Missouri wants to do this trick. It's a tray flip. Okay, on the tray flip, it's all about the back foot. Your front foot is hanging out right there. And it feels like you're gonna do a kickflip, but honestly, the front foot doesn't really do much. It's just kind of there. Back foot is toes over the side, all scoop. It's a funny thing with this because look, if you just try and do that without spinning it, it just naturally wants to turn. So your front foot does little to nothing. But if it's just there and gives the ever so slightest bank, you'll tray flip. The secret to this trick is you lean a little back to push the board in front of you when you pop. I'm gonna do some super slow-mos of this trick to help you, so be on the lookout for that. But for right now, tray flip. Okay, that's the tray flip. Nice and easy, lemon squeezy. It's all in the back foot. Just let it fly. Just be relaxed. Yeah, that was a bad one, okay? Nobody saw that. I landed that other one and I was like, wow, Aaron, you're feeling good today. I love tray flips. Just something nice about just a nice tray flip feeling. I'm not saying that was nice, but I love tray flips. Okay, number 5, most essential important tricks. You have to have something like this in your bag. Something odd, something weird, something not normal. Something that you will do in a game of skate and it will piss people off. And as soon as I said that, I thought about 13 tricks I have in my bag that does that. All double flip variations, but today, the one I'm gonna give you is tray flip revert. This one's, I don't know what to say, it's stupid. You do it in a game of skate, you get them a letter. Very rarely do I do this in a game of skate and the person lands it. It's a 1 in 103 chances. So this one is weird. It's the exact same motion of the tray flip, but as soon as you pop and flick that tray flip, you're gonna have your front foot there to catch it. Your upper body has to be turning while the tray flip is spinning. Then there's this very small period, what I like to call the pause. You pause that in the air, you land on that front foot and revert, and boom, tray flip, frontside 180. It's really what it is, it's a tray flip, frontside 180. Okay, if I land this first try, today's just my day. Bummer, I had one chance. Okay, let's run it back. Chloe, I blame this on you. It's all your fault. There we go, there we go. Now I gotta work on a little consistency because between that heel flip, I'm just losing it out here. Okay, we'll take it, I'll take it. Woo! And with that, this 41-year-old is ready for bed. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, but more than I hope you learned something, I hope that inspired you to get outside, ride your skateboard, and have fun. Support other people who should be riding their skateboard too, and let's grow the skateboard community. We'll see you in the next video.